You got the keys. Jesus says himself, I'm going to give you the keys to the kingdom. Use them. I dare you, use them. Jesus used them. We celebrate Easter, right? Jesus used them that Easter morning. Move this stone. Why? They out there and I'm in here. I'm coming to give them life. This grave ain't holding me. Move the stone. And the same is true with your life in the smaller fragment, right? Move this stone. Why? I got life and life to the full to live. I got places to be with God and people to meet. Like God has got purpose and plan for me, and I'm going to follow. Move the stone. I ain't letting nothing hinder me. I ain't going to talk about it. I'm going to be about it. Move the stone. So if I can encourage you with anything today, start pushing. Move them stones. Become that man or woman that God has put in your heart to become. Do what God has called you to do this side of heaven. Don't let a whole life go by and never do what God has put inside your heart. Don't you do it. There's too many graveyards filled of people doing that. God has called you for this time. He has chosen you for this generation. This is why you're here. And the only way you're going to do it is to move them stones out your way and to start letting Him live through you and change you into that person that you know you can and are meant to be in the name of Jesus. He didn't withhold salvation from you. You think He's going to withhold a dream from you? I don't think so, because He's the one that put it inside of you. I'm talking from experience. He ain't withholding this. I'm walking forward today. I'm waking up tomorrow, and we stepping into the future knowing that my God has spoke. And I want to be where He told me to be. And when I get home, I'm going to hear, well done, good and faithful. What I do? Put some stones out the way. You weren't willing to let the well be covered. You moved it, and you watered my flock. And in so doing, found life. I love it. I love it.